Hey, what up, YouTube family? Matt back. It is Wednesday, so it is time for another video. Hope you all had a good and safe, happy weekend. I know here in Illinois, it was kind of, we had a little bit of ice on Sunday, but I think for the most part, we all survived that. Hope you all enjoyed the lollipop video I put up last Wednesday. And thank you to the one new subscriber that's come aboard since last Wednesday. Oh, excuse me. So, this week on the channel, first off, I was going to review the Taco Bell chicken wings, but all three Taco Bells around me were sold out and said they probably will not get another shipment in. So, sorry, I'm not going to get a chance to review them. Maybe next time they bring them out for more than just a week. So, this week, after deciding on what to do the last couple hours since I've been home from work, I'm going to do something a little strange this week. Not too off the wall. This is put out by Raindrops Candy. It says, enjoy the venture. We are doing mini gummy sushi this week. And on the back of this, it tells what each piece is, but the only thing I can actually read on the back here is right there where it says Gummy California rolls. Other than that, I don't speak Japanese, so I don't have the slightest idea what these words are. So let's open them up and try them. Ooh, smells good. Let me get it. Okay, it's out of the pan. I think I'm going to start off with one of these Gummy Ikuras, I'm guessing is how you say it. Dang. I don't want you to get into this. The Gummy Ikura thingies are these little yellow thingies. Here we go. Not bad, not a whole lot of flavor to it. A lot of sugar in it, though I can definitely taste that. Then I'm going to try this one. Next one up is this thingy here, which is a gummy Yomaka make it. Like I said, I don't speak Japanese, so I don't know what it is. Huh? Also, wish I knew what fruit flavors these were for gummies, because I'm liking it. Then after this, we're going to do one of the California rolls. That one was pretty good too. I'm actually liking this. Maybe do one of the California rolls. I kind of stuck to the package there a little bit. California roll. Crazy kitty running behind me. That's that they say that's a California roll, okay. Like a marshmallow in the center. And some kind of fruit on the outside. I don't know what it is. It's good though. Next, I think I try one of the, this next thing I'm gonna try is the Gummy Ko Kuchi Kachi. Anyways, it's spelled C-O or Koikuchi. It's in a little bowl here. Okay, that California roll is probably my least favorite one so far. But what I'm telling you about is one of these thingies here. In the little bowl. Oh, they look just like fruit snacks. Then after this, there's one piece left. And that's kind of all these are, is fruit snacks. With no taste to them. That's one way to get it out. Okay. Like I said, those are some kind of fruits from over there or something, because it's something I do not recognize. Then the last one will be this one right up here, the Gummy. Like I said, I'm not even pretend to know how to say it. It's Nigiri. Oh, excuse me. And it feels like it's just looks like a fish on top of a marshmallow. Hey, button. Okay, the fish on top just tastes like an orange gummy. And with the marshmallow, so it's not bad. So, overall, all of them was really good except the ones that look like just fruit snacks and stuff. So, overall, I'd give them this sushi a 7 out of 10, because for being a gummy sushi, I didn't know what to expect, but it really wasn't all that bad. Man, so hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit it with a big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel for more content. Comment down below if there's anything you'd like to see in future videos. And I will see you guys real soon with another video.